Hi guys, in this video we talk about OPPO Reno 11 Pro versus Realme 12 Pro Plus. The OPPO Reno 11 Pro launched on January 2024 with the price tag of $550. The Realme 12 Pro Plus launched on January 2024 with the price tag of $400. The body dimensions of the devices: the OPPO Reno 11 Pro height 6.39 inches, width 2.191 inches, thickness 7.7 mm. The Realme 12 Pro Plus dimension 6.36 inches, height, width 2.99 inches, thickness 8.8 mm. The weight of the device is the OPPO Reno 11 Pro comes with 181 gram and the Realme 12 Pro Plus comes with 196 gram, and the both devices come with front and back glass and aluminium frame, and it comes with dual SIM nano SIM cards supported. The display type of the device is the OPPO Reno 11 Pro and the Realme 12 Pro Plus come with AMOLED 1 billion color screen type, and the screen size is same in both devices 6.7 inches. The resolution of the device is the OPPO Reno 11 Pro and the Realme 12 Pro Plus come with 1080p screen resolution, and the PPI density is same in both devices 394 PPI density, and the refresh rate is same 120Hz in both devices. The OPPO Reno 11 Pro comes with 89.8% screen to body ratio, and the Realme 12 Pro Plus comes with 90.4% screen to body ratio. And the protection: OPPO Reno 11 Pro comes with ASfi glass, and the Realme 12 Pro Plus comes with Gorilla Glass protection. The OPPO Reno 11 Pro comes with 950 nits peak of brightness, and the same Realme 12 Pro Plus comes with 950 nits peak of brightness. The camera setup of the device is the OPPO Reno 11 Pro comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 8 megapixel ultra wide, and 32 megapixel telephoto, and it's record 4K 60 fps video. And the Realme 12 Pro Plus comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 8 megapixel ultra wide, and 64 megapixel periscope telephoto, and it's record 4K 30 fps video. The selfie camera of the device is the OPPO Reno 11 Pro comes with 32 megapixel selfie camera with 4K 30 fps video record. The Realme 12 Pro Plus comes with 32 megapixel selfie camera with 1080p 60 fps video record. And the platform of the device is the OPPO Reno 11 Pro comes with octa-core CPU with Cortex A78, and the same Realme 12 Pro Plus comes with octa-core CPU with Cortex A78 and the chipset. The OPPO Reno 11 comes with MediaTek 8200 4nm chipset. The Realme 12 Pro Plus comes with Snapdragon 7S Gen 2 4nm chipset, and the OPPO Reno 11 Pro comes with Motorola G10 GPU, and the Realme 12 Pro Plus comes with Adreno 710 GPU. The OPPO Reno 11 Pro comes with Android 14 ColorOS 14 operating system, and the Realme 12 Pro Plus comes with Android 13 with Realme UI 5.0 operating system. The OPPO Reno 11 comes with 12GB of RAM, and the Realme 12 Pro Plus comes with 8GB and 12GB of RAM. And the internal storage: the Realme 12 Pro Plus comes with 128GB and 256GB, and the Realme OPPO Reno 11 Pro comes with 256GB internal storage. No SD card support in both devices. The battery backup of the devices: the OPPO Reno 11 Pro comes with 4600 mAh battery, and the Realme 12 Pro Plus comes with 5000 mAh battery. And the fast charging: OPPO Reno 11 Pro supports 80 watt fast charging, and the Realme 11 Pro 12 Pro Plus supports 67 watt fast charging. No wireless charging in both devices, and it comes with 5G network support. The commons and the feature is same, but the Realme 11 12 Pro Plus support IP65 rating. The result of the device is the OPPO Reno 11 Pro got 22 points, and the Realme 12 Pro Plus got 21 points.